Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom Discord bot without coding in 2026. So if you want your own bot for moderation, auto replies, roles, or fun commands without writing code, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, decide your bot's purpose. So moderation, welcome messages, music, AI replies, leveling systems, or auto posting. Next, choose a no-code bot builder platform. I mean, these tools let you create custom bots using simple visual settings instead of programming. So yeah, go to the Discord developer portal and create a new application. This is where your custom bot starts. Now generate your bot and invite it to your server. Make sure you give permissions like reading messages and sending replies. So yeah, use the no-code dashboard to create commands and automated replies. You can make custom responses for keywords or actions. Next, enable moderation tools like spam filters, auto roles, and welcome messages. This makes your server easier to manage. Now test your bot in different channels. So check commands, replies, and permissions to make sure everything works properly. Finally, keep improving your bot by adding AI replies, music commands, leveling systems, or custom games. This makes your server more unique. And that's how to create a custom Discord bot without coding in 2026. Once your bot is set up, it can automate tasks and make your community much more interactive. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord tutorials.